I would say this weekend has been a huge catalyst for something I've known for a long time. It's more than just the plants. It's more about the community that we established this weekend and all the other people getting to see their experience, getting to see how their relationships were so loving and caring towards the plants, and Robin's just pure passion for the plants it's infectious.
What I like to do with some of these really fragrant plants is I just get in there.
Slow down there, buckaroo.
It was more of a feel of peace. That's the word I can think of. Ancient, wonderful, deep knowledge that it's meant to be just awakened and be used and put into practice every day.
We're gonna maximize our time to bring in as much knowledge as we can with the time that we have, but do it in a joyful, connective way. Part of this is about deep education, but part of this is about deep unlearning.
You come here to seek out knowledge and you learn. And part of it is that you're just submerged in this environment where there's so much you can learn in one go.
I think sharing foraging is a beautiful thing, and I know a lot about foraging, but I came here today and I learned many new things. I didn't know you could eat the inside of milkweed plants. There were a couple, the violets, I didn't know you could eat the leaves.
You know, it exceeded expectations. I was coming thinking I would know a lot of it, and I learned so much. And just the community and camaraderie just makes it so special here at the organic compound.
I'm gonna take my friends on hikes hopefully and be like, hey, want to try some of this wild green, and radicalize more people.
The thing that I found the most exciting was, oh wait, there's like food everywhere right here. I don't even have to take a step. It's not like I had to learn 100 plants in one session. It's like, okay, I'm going to take away everything that I can. I'm going to go out and practice that.
I think if you're interested in a more natural life, you should be interested in this stuff because it's under your feet when you're at the park. It's in your neighbor's driveway. It's in your driveway.
This weekend has really changed me, not up here, but in here. Just like really touched a place in me where it already existed, that love for the world around me, and especially for where our food comes from and where our medicine comes from.
But I think it is one thing you should definitely sign up for. Thanks.